Currently, I have 82 task lists available in my drop-down menu from which I can choose work. Under the rules that I'm working today, 8 of those task lists are relevant for finding work. The current guideline for the work for today is to find a case with the oldest due date. First thing in the morning, that will require me to look across the 8 task lists where that work might be. So I would start first in the agency task list and pull up those cases. Make a note of the due date. The next task list that I would pull up would be the district task list. And make a note of that due date. That due date is 2/14, so that's earlier than agency, so that is a potential for where my work might be located. Next, I will look at the District's 2 task lists. Again, there's a 2/14 due date on that task list. I would continue this through the entire 8 task lists until I find which one has the oldest date and take a case from there and work it. If I wanted to try to use the all task list to pull up all 82 of my task lists, I could click on all, and I will get a warning that this task list has 14,624 tasks in it at the time. The warning is given when there is a task list over 5,000 because that takes a long time to pull them all up. So as a practical matter, that's not particularly useful. Another common way that we do work, if we are working on a build, is to pull up from the cleanup agency task list. I'm going to pull up cleanup 2. Again, it will take a few minutes. If I were working on this build, I would pull a case. If this case had a related case that I also need to pull to do my work, I would need to look across these 7 cleanup task lists to find that related case. And each of those would need to be pulled up one at a time.